completed 2 years recently, and it's been amazing learning experience. Managing projects in terms of client expectation and also ensuring kind of working on getting more businesses for CRISIL.
It's been 15 years now. I can only tell you that it's full of opportunities. One more thing that fascinates me is the culture. Like I said, it's people first. It makes sure that it gives you a good growth path. The leadership is fantastic. They mentor, they guide, and I think they make sure that as per your skill set and capability, they would preserve what you have and probably would fill in what you lack.
In CRISIL for about 8 years now, and I think I've shifted roles and moved across the teams, and I've got a really good exposure overall in CRISIL, and that's something that I really cherish.
Working with CRISIL has impacted my life in several ways, from being an individual contributor to being a leader. I have been able to nurture myself, my skills, as well as my team. And working with senior leaders has really helped me in my individual growth.
I joined last year in CRISIL as a management trainee right from campus, and then just changed career paths. Recently itself I got promoted to an executive and have been working in the HR field, and till now it has been a really great experience. Got a lot to learn from all these stakeholders, be it business or internal as well. So looking forward to more opportunities to network, connect and grow internally.
Yeah, I've been here for almost 13 years now, and I've grown from strength to strength across various teams. Started as a credit analyst. Now I manage a team of almost 24 people sitting across India and China offices.
So I have been working with CRISIL for last 15.5 years. It's been a very, very pleasurable journey. CRISIL has given a lot of growth opportunities, which has helped me to grow through the ranks.
This is my second stint with CRISIL actually. I have been associated with CRISIL for the last 11 years now. And I think the tenure itself says a lot about it, doesn't it? Like, I've moved across teams, had brilliant opportunities to work with the company. So far I would say satisfied is a very understatement, but very happy with where I am so.
I have been working with CRISIL for like 4 years now, and the roles which I have worked into are diverse, and I have got to learn a lot of new things. So the future looks to be exciting.
Come be a part of CRISIL.
Come be a part of CRISIL.
Come be a part of CRISIL.